Hey, my name is Jared Payne, journeyman mechanic at Central Maintenance. We're out here at Rocky Reach today, doing a simulated rescue or mock rescue in the unwatering gallery at Rocky Reach Powerhouse. We're doing this in preparation for some upcoming work for pump replacement and upgrades to the structure down in the sump. So we can go take a look down the hole if you like. So through these hatch covers and the floors, down the bottom is a bunch of grading structure, and there's two large 30-inch unwatering pumps down there. It's pretty much the lowest accessible point inside the Rocky Reach Powerhouse, and all the water that comes out of the units when we unwater goes to these pumps and gets pumped out into the river, and that's how we do maintenance on the units and different components of the dam. So today, the rescue, like I said, was in preparation for the work of upgrading the structure so we can safely replace the pumps. A lot of what we do is preventive maintenance and reactive, but this is one of the preventive maintenance things that really ties into our operational excellence and reliability. So the pumps require replacement because they're losing efficiency due to the age. So we're getting prepped for that job and moving forward with it. So a little bit about the rescue we're doing. It's a simulated rescue. So we got a crew of mechanics, mobile crane set up, a couple safety representatives, and Rugged Ron, we call him. We have a dummy that we use for training exercises like this. So the whole point of this is the area in the sump that we're going to be working in is pretty inaccessible. It's not easily accessed in case of an emergency. So we frequently practice these rescues just in case there was a medical emergency with a crew member. So we have everything in place to efficiently get them out and get help to them. So Rugged Ron weighs about 150 pounds. We have one of our 15-ton mobile cranes set up here in the powerhouse. So we get him staged down at the bottom, and then we send a crew of guys in like we'd be working. Send the litter in when they request it, that there's an emergency. So we send them in. The guys that are down there work on giving them basic, immediate care, package them up into the litter. Then we communicate by radio to get them out and get them up here to where EMS services could give him the rest of the care that was needed. I'm Jared Payne. We're at Rocky Reach Powerhouse today. Thanks again for watching a day in the life of the